Imagine if you could transform your mind, boost your focus, and unlock your full potential, all by sitting still for just a few minutes each day. Sounds almost too simple, right? Yet, that's exactly what meditation offers. Welcome to your beginner's guide to understanding the powerful role of meditation in personal development. If you're ready to embark on a journey toward a calmer, more focused and resilient you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this channel with friends who are looking to grow and thrive. Your support helps us bring more valuable content right to you. Let's start by exploring what meditation really is. At its core, meditation is a practice that trains your attention and awareness, allowing you to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. It's not about emptying your mind or escaping reality. Instead, it's about being present, fully and deeply, in each moment. For beginners, this can be as simple as focusing on your breath, observing your thoughts without judgment, or repeating a calming word or phrase. Why is meditation such a crucial tool for personal development? It all starts with self-awareness. One of the first things you'll notice as you meditate is how busy and distracted your mind can be. By sitting quietly and observing your thoughts, you learn to recognize patterns like negative self-talk, worries, or distractions that may be holding you back. This heightened self-awareness is the foundation for personal growth. When you understand your inner world, you're better equipped to make positive changes in your external life. Meditation also helps you develop emotional intelligence. Over time, you become more aware of your feelings and less reactive to stress, anger, or anxiety. Instead of being swept away by strong emotions, you learn to pause, observe, and respond thoughtfully. This ability to regulate your emotions is key to building better relationships, making wise decisions, and staying resilient in the face of life's challenges. Another significant benefit of meditation is improved focus and concentration. In a world filled with constant distractions, the ability to direct your attention is a superpower. Meditation trains your mind to stay present, whether you're working, studying, or simply enjoying time with loved ones. As your focus sharpens, you'll find it easier to set goals and follow through on your personal development plans. But that's not all. Meditation can also boost your creativity and problem-solving skills. By quieting the mental chatter, you create space for new ideas and insights to emerge. Many people report having breakthroughs or creative sparks during or after meditation sessions. It's like hitting the reset button for your mind, allowing you to approach challenges with fresh energy and perspective. If you're new to meditation, start small. Just 5 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. Find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back. Remember, meditation is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. Be patient with yourself and celebrate the progress you make along the way. To sum up, meditation is a powerful tool for personal development. It increases self-awareness, emotional intelligence, focus, and creativity, all of which are essential for growing into the best version of yourself. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on personal growth. Leave a comment below, sharing your meditation experiences or any questions you have. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.